Hey there! Inside the agent section of AutoSocial, you get complete control over how your content is created, managed, and published. From important upcoming events to daily posts and full campaigns, everything can be handled effortlessly right from one place. Let's start with post mode. At the top right, you'll find two options, queue and draft. When you select queue mode, your content is automatically scheduled and published based on your predefined time slots. So whether it's a festival, product launch, or special promotion, you can plan everything in advance and let your agent handle publishing on autopilot. If you switch to draft mode, your posts are saved instead of being published, giving you full control to review, edit, or approve them before they go live. This is especially useful for teams, agencies, or when managing client content. Now, inside the agent, you also have Auto Batch, which allows you to generate multiple posts in one go. With just one click, your agent creates content variations instantly, making it perfect for weekly planning or running campaigns more efficiently. And to keep things controlled, when draft mode is enabled, Auto Batch is automatically turned off to prevent accidental bulk generation. Finally, there's auto approval. When turned on, your agent automatically approves all generated content, meaning no manual steps or delays. Your posts are ready to publish instantly. If you turn it off, you can review and approve each post manually, ensuring quality and brand consistency every time. So, with post mode, auto batch, and auto approval, the agent section gives you the flexibility to automate when you want and stay in control when you need.